today I thought we would test out the DollarTree's vacuum bags for clothing. And so I'm going to I have the large size, and I have one t-shirt, which is a Twilight t-shirt that I don't want to let go of. I have 10 dresses, summer dresses, and I have 2 bathing suits. Well, I was able to fit 14 clothing items in this large size vacuum bag. I have not vacuumed it yet, and that is 10 summer dresses from Walmart. I am size 2X, you guys, so it's not like they're tiny clothes either. And 1 t-shirt, 2 bathing suits, and a pair of denim, light denim shorts that I have that I'm not going to be wearing the rest of summer. I prefer the darker wash jeans, and my leggings. So this is what I got to fit in here now, and we're gonna vacuum seal this off camera because it'd be kind of loud. And yes, so let's see if this works out. Well, these have a zipper here, and it has this like little zipper tab to help you seal it. And then it's like a giant Ziploc bag basically. This is my first time using these, but I'm just sharing my experience with you and my thoughts on the Dollar Tree ones. And it has a little valve here, on and off, or well, on and close. So you twist that off, and you have this, and that's where you put your vacuum to suck all the air out of the bag. So I'm excited to see how well this works, and if it works really well, I'm gonna go back to the Dollar Tree and purchase several. Alright, you guys, it actually worked. I'm really excited to find a vacuum seal bag. It actually worked, and it's only $1. 14 pieces of clothing in this. I am going to do one with John's clothes as well, and look at that. I'm super impressed. This actually worked for $1. It's so hardly packed, and it's so heavy. And you wouldn't believe 14 pieces of clothing feel this heavy, but it does, and it actually works. It works. I definitely do recommend you guys checking these out on your own because they do work. Alright, so I did not get to show you guys the packaging, but it's from the Essentials brand. Like I said, size large from Dollar Tree, vacuum storage bags. On the front, it shows you can store like 4 towels. I'm assuming you don't want to overfill these. Mine still had lots of actually space of room that I could shove in there, but I did not with the bag I done. Now, moving on to a stack of John's stuff that he wants to store. There's 15 tees here. We always want to hang on to stuff like nostalgia stuff and things like that. Like memories linked to us and things like that. Maybe we can't fit into them. We're hoping later on and things like that. So, I have 15 of his tees. You can tell what color he likes to wear the most. Yeah, black and gray. Anyways, so we're going to do his next. And I just wanted to show you the packaging. And it just comes folded up just like that. Alright, and here is John's bag, and I actually put 3 more tees in here. Yeah, 3 more tees, and as you can tell, it's not packed so tight. I probably could get another shirt over here on the side. And so I got a total of 19 t-shirts, extra large size t-shirts in this bag here. I also want to point out that the Essentials vacuum storage bags come with very simple directions on the back. And I am super duper loving this product because you can take a tub and fill it full of clothes. And then, maybe you need another tub. Tubs take up lots of space. But with the vacuum sealed stuff, you're going to be able to store twice as much in one tub. Maybe even 3 times as much in some cases. So I am so excited. Done and done. Here is John's t-shirts. Still super impressed with how well these worked. I highly recommend you trying them out for yourselves and storage purposes. These are awesome, especially for clothes. And like I said, yes, recommend. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews and demos and product gem finds and things like that. So in the description there's going to be a ton of Dollar Tree links, so make sure you check out all those links. Keep you busy the rest of the summer. And thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming Dollar Tree videos.